Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use browsing assist AI features on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's have a look. First, I would like to show you how to use summarize in browser assist. Open Samsung Internet app on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. To enable summarize option, tap three lines on bottom right corner of the screen, then tap settings. From internet settings, tap browsing assist. Summarize and translate web pages. Tap OK, then tap summarize. Simply turn on the toggle to enable summarize. Now to use summarize on web page, open the web page to summarize, then tap browsing assist icon in the bottom toolbar and select summarize. Immediately you will get a summary of the entire article or web page in bullet points. Moreover, you can copy or translate the summary using the respective options at the bottom. If you would like to see detailed, tap settings icon at the top right corner and select detailed. Tap done. That will deliver more detailed results. Now I would like to show you how to use translate in browsing assist. First, open any web page that you want to translate. Then tap browsing assist icon at the bottom and select translate. You will see a translate pop-up at the top of the web page. Tap language and you can add your language. It will start downloading language. Select your preferred language and tap the translate button. In just a few seconds, the web page will be translated into your preferred language. So these are the steps to use browsing assist AI features on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.